My name is Brady and I like nature. And because I like nature so much, we're gonna go on a natural expedition. Oh my bejesus, look at that! It's grass. So much grass. Look at all the grass. And I think that this thing right here may be a leaf. Leaves are sacred in some cultures. And here we have the very rare, very uncommon, highly sacred rock. People in some cultures see the rock as a deity to throw. I have found what might be the greatest discovery ever. Come. This is what they call dirt. This is a very common, very widely practiced tradition by many white cultures. It's called a dog. Look.
Puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy, puppy, puppy.
He might steal your soul if you're not careful. That's why he's kept as a stealer of souls. I have found a very, very large tree. As you can see, I just rhymed. This very large, very flat tree will give off oxygen as a respiratory process after it absorbs the carbon dioxide from the air. And look, all around us is what we call air. There's so much of it. This is the inside of the urban tree. It's a human being. Multiple. See, human beings frequently abuse their young. Oh. Here it screams of terror. What mongrel creatures? I just want to ingest them and let them burn my insides. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Whatever will we do with so many? They're everywhere. That was good.